If you've been watching the used car market lately, there's one trend that's impossible to ignore. Used EV prices are falling fast. According to a new study by iSeeCars.com, used EV prices dropped by 10% year over year in March of 2025. That's the largest decline of any vehicle segment, and it comes at a time when the overall used car market is actually starting to rise again. But before you go hunting for a used Tesla deal, there's a twist. Tariffs, supply constraints, and rising demand could flip this trend fast, especially if you're looking at popular brands like Tesla, Toyota, Ford, or GM. So let's break it down. But first, before you buy a used car, let me help you save some serious money and avoid major headaches. Buying used should be smart, but too often it leads to regret. Hidden issues, high-pressure sales, confusing pricing, and bad financing can turn a good deal into a bad decision fast. It doesn't have to be that way. Before you head to the dealership or scroll listings, download my used car buying guide. It's a real-world, step-by-step guide to inspecting a used car, spotting red flags, negotiating with confidence, and avoiding financing traps, even if it's your first time buying. This guide could save you hundreds, even thousands on your next ride. Click the link in the description to get it now. iSeeCars.com analyzed over 1.4 million used vehicles between 1 and 5 years old. Across the board, used car prices rose by 1%, the first increase since October 2022. SUVs were up 3.5%, trucks rose 0.9%, and hybrids ticked up by 0.7%, but EVs down more than 10%. So let's put that in perspective. The average used EV price in March 2025 was $32,107, down $3,600 from a year earlier. Compare that to passenger cars and minivans, which dropped just 3.2%, and you can see the EVs are in a league of their own right now. The reason: oversupply, waning demand in some areas, and uncertainty around charging infrastructure are all contributing. But the biggest wild card is what's coming next. So why might some used EV prices, especially Teslas, suddenly rise again? One word: tariffs. The Trump administration's renewed push for tariffs in February has spooked the entire automotive supply chain. Even though most Teslas are built in the US, they still rely on imported parts for roughly 30% of their production. That means increased costs for new Teslas and a likely ripple effect on the used car market. So here's what iSeeCars.com predicts if tariffs trigger a 5 to 10% price premium on used Teslas. This trend you're seeing won't stop at Tesla either. Trucks and SUVs, especially popular ones, could see massive price hikes as well. Also, according to the study, popular used vehicles like the Tahoe, Sierra, and F-150 could see price jumps ranging from $3,000 to over $5,000 if tariffs go into effect. Here are some standouts. The Chevy Tahoe, current average price $51,700, could jump over $5,200. F-150 $41,500, could jump by $4,100. And the Highlander, $36,000, could jump by $3,600. So if you're waiting to buy thinking prices are going to keep falling, you might want to rethink that strategy. The data supports it. The window for deals on used EVs and fuel-efficient SUVs could start to close quickly. Before prices spike or inventories tighten even more, here's what I recommend. Check real-time dealer pricing at quotes.everymandriver.com. It's free, no obligation tool that helps you compare prices on new and used vehicles from dealers in your zip code. You can also expand that zip code. Thousands of people use it every day to uncover hidden deals, compare inventory, and avoid overpaying. And especially now with tariffs on the table, you'll want every pricing advantage you can get. Don't leave money on the table. Start your smart shopping car search today at quotes.everymandriver.com. One final note: if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven Saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven Saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.